3 methods to unlock iPhone 12 without passcode or Face ID. Have you encountered the situation that Face ID is not working, and because you forgot the iPhone 12 passcode, after trying the wrong passcode many times, the iPhone is unavailable or disabled? Is there any way to unlock iPhone 12 without passcode or Face ID? In this video, we will let you know how to unlock iPhone 12 without passcode or Face ID, which works for other iPhone models as well. Using iTunes is the official and most common method to unlock iPhone. When your iPhone is disabled, the iPhone's interface will remind you to connect iTunes to fix iPhone is disabled issue. The following are the steps to unlock iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Download the latest version of iTunes on Windows or Mac. Put the phone in recovery mode. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer. At this point, iTunes will pop up a message box and give you the option to restore or update below the message box. Step 3. Next, iTunes will remind you that this operation will restore iPhone to factory settings and all media and data will be deleted. Tap the Restore iPhone option again to confirm your choice. Step 4. Then, iTunes will restore your iPhone 12 to factory settings. After a successful restore, your iPhone 12 can be turned on and used again. In addition to the above methods, especially when you can't connect to iTunes to unlock iPhone 12, and you can't remember your Apple ID password, then using MagPhone iPhone Unlocker is your best choice. Whether you have forgotten the iPhone 12 passcode, iPhone 12 has been disabled or other reasons, MagPhone iPhone Unlocker is your good helper to provide you with the most professional iPhone unlocking service. It only takes a simple click to easily unlock your iPhone 12 without passcode or Face ID. No need to connect to iTunes or log into iCloud. Read the step-by-step tutorial on techtipper.com.